Hi students. While doing science like physics and chemistry, we often come across questions which involve some numerical calculations. And in my personal opinion, I have found that students feel a bit difficulty in handling those questions where calculation is tricky. So why not get some power of math tools which can make our physics and chemistry calculations easy? Okay, so we are going to share very important tool today. You just focus on this 1 plus x, and if it has a power of n, then you can simply write it to be equal to 1 plus nx, but you should be very confirmed that x should be quite smaller than 1, almost negligible. So here we have expressed some calculator values of these two quantities. 20 by 19.7 is 1.0152, that's from calculator, and square root of 10 is also 3.162, that is obtained from calculator. Now let us use this tool to get these two values. So here we start. Just look at this number 20 divided by 19.7. So with a simple logic, you can convince yourself if we write 19.7 to be like this, then it is better. You can clearly see 19.7 is 20 minus 0.3. Now, my friend, you do this. You take 20 common in the denominator. Then you can clearly write 1 minus 0.3 divided by 20. Wow. Now, you please cancel this 20 out. Then you will end up with this. 1 upon 1 minus 0.015, right? Now you do this thing. If something is in the denominator, then we can write this 1 minus 0.015. You can tell me the power. Yes, it is raised to the power minus 1. Now you can clearly see it is like 1 plus x, where x is minus 0.015, which is quite smaller. So why not take this power inside, and you finally end up with this 1 minus 1 become plus 1.015. You can clearly add this to arrive at this nearest value. So that's amazing. Without calculator, we have solved this tricky puzzle. Now let's try our hand on another. Let's take the square root of 10. We all know that 10 is very close to 9. So why not write this? Root of 10 is equal to 9 plus 1 raised to the power half, right? Now you take 9 common, you'll get 3, then you get something 1 plus 1 by 9 raised to the power half. Now you can say 1 and 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is quite less than 1. You can safely ignore it and bring this half inside. So you will get 3 outside the bracket, 1 plus 1 by 18. Now you take 3 inside. So you will get this 3 plus 1 by 6. You can clearly calculate this. 1 by 6 is 0.16. So that is 3.16. So you can see whatever we are trying to do here is simple adjustment in the denominator or in the square root and make our life simple. So remember this, 1 plus x raised to the power n can be taken to be 1 plus nx, where x is very small in comparison to 1. That's a popular binomial result in mathematics, but we can apply these things in our physics and chemistry calculations and make our science much interesting. Thank you.